Good afternoon, students. If you are able to hear my voice and able to see the screen, then please send yes in the chat box. There are 5 students present as usual. Those are very regular, and I appreciate all because you are also giving time, and we trying to keep our lectures regularly so that there there's supposed to be no gap in between the lectures and continuity will be there. I request everyone not to go outside your home if until and unless there is an any emergency, because as per the government there will be a heavy rainfall, and heavy means heavy to very heavy kind of rainfall will be there, so you may stuck outside, so better stay at home and be safe. Second thing, as I told yesterday, be ready for the college. Government can announce anytime, university can announce anytime, and they can call you back to the college after almost 2 years or almost 1.5 year, and your lectures may conducted in the college, practicals may be there in the college. Okay, there is no surety about the exams, but there will be a surety of 80 to 90% college will reopen for students. Okay, teachers are already coming to college, so now students will also come as per government circular. Schools and high schools, okay, means till 10th standard till 12th standards are going to get open from 4th of October in villages, from 5th to 10th, and 11th 12th in villages. In urban areas from 8th to 10th and 11th 12th. Okay, so there are chances of college opening, be ready. Okay. Next thing is, yesterday we have finished the application of multiple integral, and all the material PDF of the lecture and video of the lectures are updated on my YouTube channel and our maths classroom. So you can see the PDF on classroom and video lecture on YouTube anytime. There are some ATKT papers and then regular papers are there. Everything will be informed to you in advance as usual, so don't wait for the timetable. I will request you all to study from now only. Don't wait for the day of exam, because you will get pressurized. Earlier in internal exam there were less chapters, but here you will have to study for whole syllabus, all the chapters of each and every subject. Getting? So you have to be prepared, so prepare from now only. Don't wait till the day of exam. Remember, I used to take attendance daily. For each and every lecture I am taking attendance. There are some submissions of assignments till now, and you will have to do all the submissions before your exam gets over. All these have some marks, and that marks are kept as a internal marks. Okay, so all these marks are also there in your final result of the semester. So your attendance contributes to your result, remember my words. ओके, इफ़ अगर अटेंडेंस यूज़ नहीं होता, कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं होता, तो मैं भी टाइम बर्बाद नहीं करता अटेंडेंस का स्क्रीनशॉट लेने में. देयर इज़ अ इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ अटेंडेंस. ठीक है, देयर इज़ एन इम्पोर्टेंस, वेरी हाई इम्पोर्टेंस. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दोज हु अटेंडेड लेक्चर रेगुलरली, those who attended lecture in between, and those who still not attending the lectures, all three will have the marks as per the rules. Getting? So I hope if you have understood this information, if yes then send yes, no then send no. अगर आपको जितना मैंने बताया समझा होगा तो यस, नहीं समझा होगा तो नो. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट प्लीज़ आस्क मी. Now we are going to solve the last chapter of this. Who is speaking? Hitesh. Okay. I think already 2 assignments given, right? Almost. Yeah. Yes. 1 and 2 chapters given. Then as after that we were in the process of complete the syllabus and all these things. Now you will get assignments. Okay, you will get all the remaining assignments. You will get deadlines also. Not all the assignments will be given on one day and you have to submit all them on one day. No, एक एक assignments मिलेगा एक एक दो दो के हिसाब से, and you have to work on that and you have to submit. Okay, don't worry about it. तो बर्डन मेरा स्टार्ट टू एंड एक ही रूल है, इफ़ यू आर कंफर्टेबल देन यू कैन स्टडी प्रॉपरली. तो पूरा बर्डन दे के सब एक साथ लिखवा के कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है. वी स्टिल हैव टाइम. दिवाली के पहले तक आपको सबमिशन का टाइम मिले है, तो हम टप्पे टप्पे से जाएंगे. 3 4 5 6, अगर लगा कि ये असाइनमेंट बड़ा है तो एक हफ्ते में एक असाइनमेंट्स रखेंगे. ठीक है, इस हिसाब से हम जाएंगे. ऑल द 10 असाइनमेंट्स विल बी देयर. 10 चैप्टर से तो 10 असाइनमेंट्स अपने पास है. ठीक, हितेश क्लियर? Okay, so the next chapter is, it is a combined chapter of two things, that is some important functions of maths and the continuation of a multiple integral chapter. Okay, so they have combined it, but the concepts are different for both the things. So you have one chapter called as differentiation under integration sign, DUIS, and another इस ये चैप्टर एक ही है बट ये रिलेटेड टू योर मल्टीपल इंटीग्रल है, एंड इसके आगे जो है दैट इज़ रिलेटेड टू योर मैथमेटिकल फंक्शन, बीटा, गामा एंड एरर फंक्शंस. ठीक, ऐसा एक चैप्टर है. दिखता बड़ा है लेकिन है बहुत इजी, बस कंसेप्ट को समझना है. अभी हम स्टार्ट इससे करेंगे, DUIS से. ठीक, डिफ्रेंशिएशन अंडर इंटीग्रेशन साइन. तो आपको यहाँ पे पता चल रहा है कि यहाँ पे d/dx करके कुछ चीज़ है एंड यहाँ पे इंटीग्रेशन डॉट dx नाम करके कोई चीज़. इतना तो हमें पता चल रहा है नाम से, जस्ट नाम से इतना पता चल रहा है कि यहाँ के डेरिवेटिव एंड इंटीग्रेशन दोनों है. ठीक है, लेकिन फिर इसका फ़ायदा क्या है ना, इसका फ़ायदा क्या है? तो मैनी टाइम्स you get some integration, definite integration, like integration of a to b f of x dot dx. Many times you get this kind of, and when you solve you get some f of x, फिर you apply limit a से b, right, and then you get f of b minus f of a, जहाँ पे x वहाँ पे b minus जहाँ पे a. ये many times you get, and you solve this by normal our integration logic. But there are some concepts, there are some functions, and there are some integrations a to b, where you find f of x along with some another constant alpha, another function alpha dot dx. So here you get a function in two variables. You get a function in two variable. यहाँ पे हमें दो फंक्शन, एक फंक्शन है जो दो वेरिएबल्स का, एक्स एंड अल्फ़ा, एक्स एंड वाई भी हो सकता है, एक्स एंड ए भी हो सकता है, एक्स एंड एम भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. ऐसे को सॉल्व करने के लिए वी यूज़ द कंसेप्ट डिफरेंशिएशन अंडर इंटीग्रेशन साइन. ये इसको सॉल्व करने का तरीका है, दो तरीका है. एक, व्हेन योर लिमिट्स ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन, इसको हम कहते हैं लिमिट्स ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. ठीक है, आर कांस्टेंट, मतलब ए से बी है, कोई 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 ऐसे कोई नंबर से, आर कांस्टेंट्स. ठीक है, एंड दूसरा तरीका है लिमिट्स ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन आर फंक्शंस. ये क्या है? फंक्शंस है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ये दो तरीके से सॉल्व किए जाते हैं. इनको ढूंढने के लिए जो साइंटिस्ट थे उनका नाम था लिबनिट्स, एंड इन्होंने इनको सॉल्व करने का जो मेथड बताया उसको हम कहते हैं
मोरया मोरया मंगल मूर्ति.